Here's a little something today. Something's been revealed to me today, and I'm allowed to reveal it to you. I'm not a Jewish. I'm not an expert in Judaism either. But I've been revealed something. God has a name, Almighty God. And in Hebrew language, there is a certain writing. You can write it down, but their letters have some numerical value. And just today, I've been told a secret. In the future, I know it from before. In the future, people will not have too many operations and things like that at the hospitals and stuff like that. They will heal people with the sound. I'll go back to the God's name. In Hebrew, there is writing. You write his name. You can speak his name, although the Jews don't. They're very careful about it. Plus, every letter has a numerical value. But this numerical value, it's all some kind of, it's like a code. And this numerical value has sounds. Everything has a sound. It's like a code that we do or don't understand. I haven't been given the sound. I've been only given this information. You will not be able, in the future, you will not be able to heal people medically without knowing the sound. Only those who will know, be careful how you listen. Be careful how you listen when I talk. Only those who know, who've been given the knowledge, will know this. They will know this secret, and they will be able to use it in good purposes, for good purposes. So, it won't be like today. We experimented on animals, on people. We created pharmaceutical industry that is disgusting. When I heard what Johnson & Johnson did, somewhere in the early 90s or something, they experimented on people. Fuck off, But we can't live without medicine for anything. It's just really, it's sad. It's not horrible. It's just really sad. And yes, you won't be able to be a doctor. Not everybody will be a doctor. As I was saying, today you have many doctors. They only work for their salaries. They don't give a shit about you, actually. They give a shit about their comfort in their lives. But you can't blame them because they have some kind of knowledge that you don't. They don't give a shit about you. They just want to be paid with lots of money. And today, what I've heard from some doctors, they became too lazy. They don't even want to work. People hate their jobs. Maybe you love it in the beginning, and then, it becomes together with all your problems in private life, and it becomes a burden. A nurse, who's gonna pay you for, if you're really caring, lovely, caring, just, and really good at your job, if you really care, who's gonna pay for the real care? People don't give a shit. And then you take care of the old people, you don't give a shit. Then you get old, you get even worse treatment. Instead of going upwards, people are going downwards. Plus, they have a pill for everything. Pill for this, pill for that, pills, pills, pills. Injections, pills, and bullshit like that. You don't even know what you are receiving, what you are swallowing, the handful of pills. I remember when I was 19 years old when I first went to America, and I work in tourism, and I remember I was allowed to go to the rooms where they were, well, the rooms that they hired, and I was always surprised to see there was always, young people or old people, it doesn't matter. I was always surprised by how many, how do you say, pills and tablets they have. Young and old. I only had a pill for a headache and for temperature, to take down the temperature if something happens. Nothing else. It's the same like today, except today I have nose drops too. I try to always have nose drops because sometimes I have problems with my nose. So you probably noticed from before that sometimes I scratch my nose. And so that's it. In the future, if you don't know, let me put it this way. If you don't know God and His language, His word, name, language, His code, it's hidden. Right now it's hidden. It probably won't be like forever, but I'm telling you what I know, what I've been given. You won't be able to get well. You won't be able to probably do anything. And so it is. This is the truth. The name actually, it has numerical value, but it has sounds in it. I don't know which sounds, and I'm not a musician, but I think, from what I've seen or heard or known, it's a combination of it's a sound, one sound, but it's a combination of few sounds. So it's up to us. It's not up to us to be, oh, I'm so good, oh, I'm so bad. People believe in that bullshit. They need it actually not to be or to become, to be or to become. How do I say this? Not to be bad, not to live in destruction or for destruction. You need it. You need some rules. You just do. But it will be hard. But humans will eventually get there. Of course, we live too much in the wars and stupid things, and It took me years to understand that it's better to leave you in your stupid wars before you drag me into your war. You know, you get it in your own family. If your parents are divorced, you know what I'm talking about. Or are divorced or were divorced. It means, to me,